And we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another gorgeous day here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We have one goal today: Liberty Walk wide body Aventador Roadster. I said this in the last video, I'm gonna say it again today. The goal is to drive the car, not finish it, drive the car on the road today. Will that happen? Probably not. Are we gonna try our best? You bet we are. Now today we're installing the carbon side skirt, the carbon diffuser, the carbon splitter, and the carbon wing cold startup center dump. One take wonder, baby, all day, every day. We almost forgot Oscar, buddy, floofy marshmallow. I'm just kidding. We were never gonna forget Oscar. One take wonder, baby. Good job, Floof. So last night I was talking on the phone with my mom and she's like, put Oscar in the vlogs more often. So Oscar, say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. Wide body. Oh, you tired, buddy? You're tired. Wide body's looking fresh, though. We're getting so close on this Liberty Walk wide body Aventador. After we install all the carbon fiber accessories today, it's gonna have that wow factor that Liberty Walk is truly known for. Now we're still waiting on the Michelin tires, and yes, we're putting Michelin tires on a Pirelli Edition Aventador. Reason being, Michelin tires are significantly better, but that's not really the point. We're not getting the tires until Thursday or Friday, which means if we do end up driving the car today, we're gonna be on the stock tires, the stock wheels with a wide body kit, positive offset. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now we have all the crazy carbon fiber accessories just kind of sort of dumped everywhere on the couch. We got the rear bumper, we got more carbon fiber over there, but we're looking for the instructions and the wing upright. Now with my $60,000 Liberty Walk wide body kit, I got a bunch of low resolution photos for the instruction manual on how to install the wing upright. So somehow we got to remove that motor system to install this upright. Now if my calculations are correct, actuator, bada bing, bada boom. This carbon wing from Liberty Walk is absolutely massive. Oh my goodness, Girth Nation, we're back, baby. Now I can't install the wing until I get a very special drill bit specifically designed for carbon fiber, and so we're gonna move on to the front of the car. Let's see. This. Now if my very scientific calculations are correct, they're usually not, this piece, basically just like that. And the carbon splitter has now been installed on the car. It makes the front end look so aggressive. We had to drill through the front bumper, install rib nuts, and then bolt the front splitter to the front bumper, but the fitment is almost perfect. It looks crazy. Now off camera, I just went off to Home Depot to pick up these right here. They're special carbide drill bits that should be able to drill right through the carbon fiber. At least that's what my internet research tells me. If we mess up this carbon wing, it's gonna be a very, very expensive mistake. Now they always say measure 5 times and drill once. What's up, Usk? I think we're ready to roll. Here we go. Steady hands, control your breathing. That just took me way, way, way longer than I ever want to admit, but check out the enormity of this carbon fiber wing. Oh my gosh, it's like legit a Thanksgiving dinner table. And back to our trusty carbon fiber couch. What do we want next? End plates. We live in Utah. Like, picture this car driving down the road in Utah, in middle of nowhere, Hodunk, Utah, in a Liberty Walk Aventador. It looks absolutely crazy right now. Oh my gosh, that wing just completely transformed the look of this car. I love this project and I hate this project. So once we put the car together today, we actually have to tear it apart and send it off to paint. The reason we're putting it together today, we gotta drill all the holes. If we did that after the paint, we'd ruin the paint job. So yes, we're putting it together, we're tearing it apart, we're sending it to paint. After it's painted, we put it back together. So we need this. This side skirt piece is gonna be a little bit tricky because we have the arms from the lift, but it kind of sort of goes on like that. It's gonna look sick. You guys know the drill, measure 5 times, drill once. Every single carbon fiber piece we install in this car just completely transforms the look. It looks so, so crazy. We are getting towards the 11th hour on this wide body Aventador Roadster, and we just got a good call from Makes and Models. My Michelin tires arrived 2 days ahead of schedule. So we're gonna put the Vossens in the Raptor, we're gonna drop off the Vossens, they're gonna mount them to the tires. We should have them back maybe tomorrow or Thursday, and then we're just rocking and rolling. The car looks so crazy. I'm getting so amped for the finale of this project. It's coming together better than I ever could have imagined. Now this gap right here on the front bumper between between the hood, that's normal. When I send the car off to the body shop, they're gonna fill that. They're gonna make that gap look OEM, so don't worry about that. We have a plan in place. It's coming together so well though. That carbon fiber wing, I just can't get over how obnoxious that is. Check that out. Okay, so Voss and Wheels Raptor makes and models. Muffin top is no more, baby. I love the look of the Shelby Raptor with the Baja tires there in the back, but it makes this truck so impractical, we were only able to fit 3 wheels in the back. It's the most impractical truck I've ever owned. Bear in mind, the only other truck I've ever owned is a Gladiator, which is really not a truck whatsoever. Also, the 4th wheel is right there. I am absolutely exhausted. I have like fiberglass and little metal fragments embedded in my forearms. Next time, wear a long sleeve t-shirt. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Salt Lake City, Utah. So we're off to make some models, but I've decided to buy another V12. We're going old school, we're going classic. I've narrowed it down to 4 finalists: a Countach, a Diablo, an LM002, or a Lamborghini Murcielago. We're gonna talk about all 4 more in depth, but oh my gosh, Utah. We have the random AMG GTS. Look at that wing on that thing. Solar beam yellow, yes sir. And I thought the wing on the Liberty Walk was big. Oh my goodness, Girth Nation. I know I've been buying and selling a ton of cars. We just sold the Ferrari 430 Challenge. We just sold the McLaren 12C, and I liked those cars, but I didn't love those cars. I've never sold a Lamborghini because I love Lamborghini. They're my favorite brand. So the sale of both those cars, all that money is going into the new V12 Lamborghini. I've never sold a Lamborghini. I'm never going to, theoretically, unless I go bankrupt, which, well, regardless or irregardless, this car is a keeper for life. Out of nowhere, we got the laser blue Lotus Elise. That thing is so cool. Yeah! What's up, bro? I miss my Lotus so much. Maybe we should scrap the V12 and get a Lotus. Whoa. I was just saying I should buy a Lotus Elise. It appears that Destiny has fallen at my doorstep. What do you guys think? That is a sick lineup right there. 4 Horsemen, Huracan, Viper, Audi R8. I don't know, I think I need another Lotus. Here she is in the back vault looking oh so pathetic, the 12C. This car has so many check engine lights. Like I said a couple videos back, we are selling the 12C, but I want to get everything fixed. I want to get the whole car clean from the desert shenanigans before it goes off to its new owner. Oh, there's some cool cars back here. We got the Acura NSX, the R35, but check out this shell right here. I still want to find out some cool car to hang on the wall in my new house, but this isn't for sale, I already asked. And we're back to home sweet home. So, Lamborghini LM002, Lamborghini Countach, Lamborghini Diablo, or Lamborghini Murcielago. We're gonna cruise through this a little bit fast, but here's the first consideration, the 94 Diablo SE30, obviously finished in proper Lamborghini purple. There's only 11 of these in the entire United States, and this is a one-of-one purple on cream. So I actually reached out to We Are Curated. They're selling this car for $419,000. Now, option number 2 is kind of a weird truck that a lot of you guys probably haven't heard of, the LM002. So Lamborghini only built 328 of these. It has a Countach V12, manual transmission. This thing is like the equivalent of an Italian Hummer. It is so ridiculous. It's for sale at Lamborghini Palm Beach for $269,900. And our third option at Marshall Goldman in Cleveland, Ohio is the 1988 Lamborghini Countach. One of my all-time favorite cars. Like, this car is so iconic. I don't know if there's anything quite cooler than a Countach. Black with the gold wheels. So this car is for sale for $395,000. And of course, our fourth option is the 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago, finished in the iconic Verde Ithaca. This car is for sale in Scottsdale, Arizona for $239,000. Now these chrome Forgiatos, those wheels, I hate to say it, but they gotta go. I talked to the dealer, they do have the factory wheels. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Murcielago, Diablo, Countach, or LM002? One of my long-term goals is to own all of the iconic Lamborghinis. So truth be told, I want to own all 4 eventually someday, but that's going to be like 20, 30 years down the line. So right now, I can buy one of them. The Murcielago is a lot cheaper than that Diablo, but those Diablos, they're just skyrocketing in value, and those purple SE30s, they rarely come up for sale. So it's a very unique opportunity that might not happen for a long time. But if we get the Mercy or the LM, obviously that gives us a budget for other future cars, other future builds. I don't know, what do you guys think? As soon as this video goes live, I'm gonna do the Instagram story poll. Go on there, go vote. Do you wanna see a Diablo, a Countach, an LM, or a Lamborghini Murcielago? I'm gonna link my Instagram below. But then there's something about that LM002. It's such a weird truck, it's such an oddity. Lamborghini only built 328 of them. Most people have never even heard of it. It's got a Countach V12. Someday, one day, that's gonna be $1 million truck. But on the flip side, the Countach is an iconic car that also is very undervalued. Someday it's gonna be $1 million car. We gotta start working harder. Look, yeah, it's not for you, it's for Berlacher. Yeah, we got him a gift. I got you something. This is for you. Yep, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. Guys, Berlacher's birthday. Hurry, come on, we don't got all day. Sorry. This guy. Dun, dun, dun. I know you've been missing the limo so much.
I am.
That we just had to. Lambo fam, check that out. That's right, boy.
No way.
Yep, we got your size. Isn't that sick?
Dude, that's awesome.
Sure is so sick. That looks crazy. That looks so good. Jeez, looking sharp, son. It matches your hat, too.
Wow.
That is sick. So sick.
I don't even know what to say. This
speechless.
is awesome.
He's speechless.
I miss it so much.
I know. Me too. Don't cry. There's been a lot of commotion going on out in the garage. Hey, what is going on?
Don't put this on camera.
Are you kidding? Really? What?
We have a situation.
You're flat.
I'm very
You don't even know how to work one of those.
Well, it doesn't fit.
Oh, gosh.
So
Do you need help?
Well, actually, you're done with the video, right?
I actually have an appointment right now. Yeah. No, I got my 4 o'clock. I got my 4 o'clock. I got my 4 o'clock appointment. But if you guys want to see Berlacher try to change a flat tire on his Viper, link below. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think on that beautiful, glorious, eloquent bombshell, today's video is effectively over. But Berlacher, Diablo, Countach, Murcielago, LMW2.
Smart car.
Anyways, yeah. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like, subscribe, be sure to smash. Should I buy some car? Just like that, this vlog is over.